I admit it's working. You're working.
Welcome people, it's your girl Nishoy, and today I'm back with another freaking video. So in today's video guys, I'll be doing this lovely hairstyle right here. So it's a kinro front and knotless back. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell because it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then request it in the comment section and I'll do it. It's not too vibrant, not too, it's just okay. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So people, I've gone in already and I've done the back of my hair. I'm gonna show you that a little bit later, but I also left some up here so we can do this hairstyle. So today I'll be doing this hairstyle. I'm gonna put a picture up here of it on this side of the video so you guys can stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do one side of the front of my hair. So I'll be doing like a flat back kinro front hairstyle, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how to kinro the next side. But I've done doing this side and the back, well almost the back, so I'm gonna do all of this on camera. So here we go. So for the persons who do not know how to kinro or do not know how to plait or whatever, all you want to do is, well I can't say that because even I know how to kinro from I was 12-year-old, probably before that, but this is how it's looking now. And we're gonna show you everything. So I'm actually thinking about rodding the ends of these down here. It's all the way to my, almost to my hip right here. So I'm thinking about rodding those. Alright, so let's get into the kinro. People, the feeding thingy and we just get into it, but I can do it. I think I need to practice some more on myself. I do it better on other persons here. What you want to do is start out on freshly washed, freshly blown out hair. You can oil it or you not. You don't have to oil it if you don't want to, but I did with mine. Alright? What you do now, you want to part the hair how you want it to part. And I'm thinking that's it looks. So y'all know how I am with my baby hair. I have to have baby hair. Have to. As I said before, you can go ahead and refresh your partings, whatever you want to do. Fresh up the partings with the edge control and your and make sure the hair has enough edge to keep it sealed and so forth and slick. Unfortunately, my hair is not that slick. Then you wanna grab your moisturizer. All I'm gonna do is put it at the root of the hair, going that way, and some to the end of the hair, just so you know that when your hair inside the braids, it doesn't get dry and it doesn't break. Alright, now for the hair. So I'm using this blue here, as you can see before. So what you want to do is you want to ensure that you have all. So I don't want my cornrows to be too bulky, as you can see right here. So what I do is I pick out a section that I think is enough to do one cornrow, and I'm gonna split that into 4. So what you do is you have to have the thin piece, like a very fine piece, to start the cornrow. And you see that when I'm going to do it. Then you have a second little piece that you're going to add in as you go along. And then as you go along, you can just continue breaking them up bigger, and a little bit bigger. So these are for the ends. Alright, now for the canvas part. This we like the plants now. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is take your time and you want to slip down like the ear front. So people, I don't normally do hair tie, but for some reason my hair is tight right now. So when I'm finished, I'm gonna go with a warm rag, and I'm just gonna touch like this. I think it's because my root is tender. Alright, so all you're gonna do now is grab a piece from here, and you wanna set your hand like this. So you wanna use your thumb finger, your middle finger, and your index finger, right? So what you're gonna do now is section off a little piece of your hair, and just like you're going to plait, you're going to section it into 1, 2, and 3. So now you're gonna use like your index finger to hold. So you're gonna use your 2 hands, your index finger. Alright, let's go back. So you wanna hold this here right here with your middle finger and your thumb finger, and you're gonna use your index finger and hold this. So your middle finger and your thumb finger is holding the first strand right here, and your index finger along with your thumb finger is holding this strand right here. Now you're gonna use your hand that is free with your index finger and your big finger to hold the next strand, or you can use all of them. So this is much better. Alright, so here we go. But index finger, middle finger, and big finger is holding the hair. So what you're gonna do now, so after you do that 1, 2, you're gonna grab a little fine piece, so you're gonna put it under the bottom like so, and you're gonna make sure you put it with the hair. A lot of persons do it differently, but I do it how I can manage it. As I said before, I don't know if I can explain it that good, but just watch. you're gonna grab it here and you're gonna put it under your index finger and your big finger. What you're gonna do, put with the other one, and you're gonna just start to cane. Going back way. And if you wanna add a piece more, you can go ahead and add a piece more. But as I said before, I don't want my hair to be bulky. I want it to look as natural as possible. So here now you can grab your little box, so you put it on your hair to make sure it's not showing. Alright, so for the ends now, I grab another piece right here and I put it onto here to help blend in your hair into the braid. Skin row, very last one, and then I'm gonna finish this one up here. So this is where my natural hair stops. I want it to grow a little bit more so I can cut off this bit. So go ahead and start off with the single foot. Start off with a corner right, a thin one right in the front right here. Now split this into 3 and we're gonna start to cane now. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I'm gonna grab the first piece of strand, which is this one. I'm gonna put it under 1 and 2. Right, so we finished doing like front part of my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the back, the last part in the back, like this portion. So I'm just gonna split this into 3 or maybe 4, and I'm gonna do it right here on camera. So let me just extend this up some more, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spin around. Alright people, so I'm just gonna jump off camera and I'm gonna curl up the ends, and that would be it. So stay tuned for the finished look.